Hi guys, let's do a quick overview of IFOS CM2 paper analysis that was held in April 2026. So as you know that we have two papers. So paper A was extremely lengthy as per the feedback received from students. Nothing was there from the past papers, basically not directly from the past papers. Familiar topics थे but twisted topics थे जिसकी वजह से it made the paper a bit difficult because multi-step calculations were there and actually they took lot of your time, and major time struggle was there that we have heard from all the students, and because of this the paper was harder than expected because एक तो different style के questions, twisted questions, application based questions, कोई भी direct questions नहीं और ऊपर से time killer questions. Paper B was conceptually easier compared to paper A, but although time pressure was there in paper B as well because Excel familiarity होना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी था. So biggest mistakes that students actually observed in IFO April 2026 exam was that they spent too long on early questions and Excel practice time manner में नहीं करा या फिर interpretation sections को ignore करना. This was the biggest mistake. So we can expect the pass marks to be around 55 to 60. Actual pass mark depends on performance, difficulty and marks distribution. तो plus minus 2 to 3 marks की deviation रहती है. So if you are appearing for upcoming September-November 2026 exams, just remember this important tip: practice full length papers. Excel पे भी उतना ही focus रहेगा. Strict timing में focus करना अपना, and just remember to balance all sections. Do not keep your focus only on one particular section. Anything can be asked from any particular topic. So if you appeared in IFO April 2026 CM2 exam, you can feel free to share your experience. You can comment on this video, you can comment on a LinkedIn article. Attached in the description box is the link for the LinkedIn article. So this we are doing to help entire actual community so that we can learn from those who have given the exam and we can help those who are actually appearing for upcoming exams. So stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to subscribe our LinkedIn or YouTube channel. Thank you. Happy learning.